time last year we came in the exact same spot. Like, I'm not even joking, this was the exact same spot. I remember it so clearly. My name is Rebecca, my name is Rachel.
Hold up. What about us?
Hello, it's Ruth.
Hi, it's Rhoda.
Welcome to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe. So this is the view. It's a very like lovely place, and you've got this massive lake that we're going to be riding all the way around till you come up there somewhere. So I'm here with my bike, and now I'm going to be using my camera to vlog the whole journey, but I'm not going to, but this is not a GoPro, so it might be a little bit shaky. I haven't done this before. Let's just hope that it looks okay, that the footage is really good. And yeah, so let's start. You can't really see me, but I'm riding my bike, and I'm going to be riding back because of my sisters. They're like so far away. Oh, this lighting is actually so bad. And yes, I'm going to be riding back to them, and Rhoda is right here. Hi Rhoda.
Hi.
You can't see her because she's too small, but anyway. So I think this is a really good idea, just to ride, have a lovely family adventure. Like I said before, oh, that's Ruth. Like I said before, this is like a family event that we should be doing every year. That's Rachel. Say hi. Hi. So our parents are walking because their bike couldn't fit in the car. So I've just stopped. And this is the view. Those are some fishermen over there. I'm not going to zoom in, but I need to just 2 swans, and yeah. I'm not sure how far we've gone. This is literally barely half, I tell you, barely half. But the view here is pretty amazing. Rachel, say hi. So here, as you can see, they've got alpacas. So here are the alpacas on the way, just eating their grass. Yeah, they are alpacas. So there they are. Come on.
Llama.
It's not a llama. Well, I don't know.
Alpacas.
Yeah.
Alpacas.
There you go. So those are the alpacas just there eating their grass. You can't really see it, but there's a trailer coming, and all the ducks are going. exact same spot. Like, I'm not even joking, this was the exact same spot. I remember it so clearly, with this bench in the middle. And then like, it just looks so beautiful. Guys, I don't have any food on me. Okay, let's see. Okay, look. So these are the ducks. There are so many, wow. Look at God's creation. And you've also got like a wood path over here as well. I just feel like riding is really fun. You can ride as fast as you can, and the view here is beautiful. I wish I could strap the camera onto my helmet so I could just like be looking around, but the only secure place I have now is my handlebars. So yeah. Destination. So we're almost at the end. Yeah, I can literally see the end. Literally, it's literally right ahead in front of me. It's right in front of me. So I'm going to try and enjoy the remaining of the bike ride without vlogging it, so I can look with my own eyes and not through a camera screen. But and then I'll show you the destination and what the end looks like. So we have finished. Hi. So we have finished with the ride. Let me just talk about. So we finished with the bike ride. We just parked our bikes over there, and now we're just waiting for our parents to come, and then we're gonna go into the cafe and get some ice cream. Yeah. Okay. So since we're like really bored, we're gonna do this game called 21 Dares.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. No!
Guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to
Share,
subscribe,
like,
and comment down below, and turn on the post notifications so you won't miss when we post again. See you next time. Bye.
bye.
Keep sparkling.